Welcome back, everybody. I've got a quick one for you today. Picture this. You walk in on a Sunday morning, you power on your mixer, and the board looks like it's never seen you before. No names on each channel, no mix, no routing. It's just pure chaos. But don't panic, because if you watch this video here, you made a backup, and we are going to use that to fix this issue, and it's only going to take us about a minute. Let's make sure your mix rises from the digital ashes just like it never happened. This is how you restore your X32 from a USB backup. Also, if you find this helpful, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't lose these tips, unlike your last mix. So maybe you updated your firmware and all your scenes are gone, or maybe you had some issues and you got a new board and you want to have all the same settings on it just like before. This is why a restorer becomes your best friend. Whatever the case, a backup only really matters if you know how to do it. And it's actually really easy, so we're going to jump right into that now. First, go ahead and plug in the USB drive that has your backup on it into the X32. Then on the right hand side, go ahead and press the setup button and make sure you're on the global tab. Now use the third knob under the screen to scroll down to the backup section. Go ahead and press the restore button. This will bring up the contents of your USB drive. You'll want to select your most recent backup. Confirm to start the restore. While it's restoring, do not unplug the USB drive from the mixer until it is finished. And voila! Magic. All your scenes, settings, your EQ, everything is back just like it was when you did your backup. If you don't see the backup section under your global tab, you're probably running an older version of the firmware. So go ahead and check out this video, and it shows you how to upgrade your firmware. Once that's done, go ahead and do a restore. Now that your mixer is restored, go ahead and make another backup. Seriously, it only takes a minute and it saves you hours of panic later. Make sure that you keep that USB drive in a safe place as well. Make a copy of it on your computer and throw a copy on your Google Drive or your Dropbox as well, just for good measure. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time.